Well, we are experiencing a very cold morning. We're even seeing a little bit of some snow flurries into the area. As we head more into the morning hours, we should see that knock out of here. Actually going to have high pressure build in today, allowing us to dry things out and calm things down too. Not warm up though. The high pressure system doesn't really help us with that. We will be having temperatures start off the morning into the teens. Also, some areas are lucky enough to be into the lower 20s, but still a very cold morning all around. Wind gusts right now have calmed down quite a bit since last night, since yesterday. Most of us are hitting into the teens for us right now. Still, winds are primarily coming out of the northwest. Today they will shift heading out of the west, so that should help us out a little bit. Try to keep things nice and calm. Not as cold today as what we were yesterday, but still pretty chilly. Wind chill values starting off the morning are even colder than yesterday morning. We're seeing into the single digits for most of the spots. Berks Garden getting really close to 0 degrees. An hour ago they were actually hitting -2 feels like temperatures. Some places feeling in the teens and the lower 20s though. Now we do have that wind chill advisory still issued for western Greenbrier County, western and the northern portion of Pocahontas County. That'll actually expire at 8 a.m. this morning. Wind chill values below 0 are expected for those spots. They could have some winds try to pick up a little bit higher to 40 miles per hour, but it does look like most of us are calming down over the area. Throughout the day today, we will be holding on to a few flurries for the morning, but shouldn't interrupt the morning commute by any means. You may just need to dust off the windshield. By this afternoon, we will have temperatures heading up into the middle and the upper 30s, so a little bit warmer than yesterday. High pressure will be continuing to build into the area, allowing us to actually have mostly clear skies even as we head into the evening and the overnight hours tonight. So Futurecast does show that the cloud cover exits the area. We won't be much warm as we head in the afternoon, only heading up into the middle and upper 20s by the lunchtime hour. Then as we head throughout the day, we will head up into the 30s. Overnight tonight will be another cooler night, a little bit warmer though. We'll be heading back up into the middle and upper 20s, lower 30s for most of the area. And then tomorrow we'll actually have temperatures heading back up, surprisingly, into the upper 40s and the lower 50s. Now, if you are doing some of that traveling for the Christmas holiday starting tomorrow, really not looking too bad if you're flying out of Charleston. We will be having partly cloudy skies, so a little bit of turbulence is possible. As we are looking around the East Coast, we are seeing actually pretty clear conditions. Temperatures pretty warm heading down to Charlotte into the 50s tomorrow. New York much cooler into the lower 30s. As you are heading though even to the west, actually really no systems are coming our way. It's looking pretty nice. Sunshine skies. Temperatures pretty warm too in the 50s, middle 60s. By the weekend though, it does look like most of those places are going to have clouds start to develop Saturday and into Sunday. We are continuing to look dry throughout today, throughout tomorrow, even into next Wednesday on Christmas Day. Still looking like we won't be seeing a white Christmas. We'll even be having temperatures warm over top of the area too still. Models are still agreeing with what we thought of yesterday as well. We do see back into the 50s heading into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Over the weekend, we should be into the 40s. Today looks to be the coldest day, though, only hitting into the middle and upper 30s.
We may not be able to see a white Christmas, but I just have to say that your Christmas graphics look phenomenal.
Well, thank you.
I like the backgrounds and everything.
You got to be a little festive, don't you?
This is true. Thank you, Catherine. Looking at your medical news.